Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Jomar unboxing. This is probably going to be my last unboxing for a while. I mean, even if I order another box from them, it's going to take a while to get to me. That's one thing that I really don't like about them, is that their shipping takes forever. They do on their website in the small print. They have a disclaimer that says they have a 28-day turnaround time. This box got shipped on oh, it's business days, 28 business days. This box got shipped on business day 25. And it sucks because when it does ship, it only takes like 3 days to get to me. This is a 15-piece sneaker box, women's sneakers. I don't remember the prices. I'll put like on the screen the price of the box. I think it was like $66 after a code that I had. I do have a code for you guys if you guys want to order from them. I'll put it down below. The first pair of shoes we have are these Nike Lunar Epic Flyknit, like high top. Kind of, yeah, it was a mid. They're a size 7. They look to be in, you know, decent condition. The bottoms are a little dirty. I haven't looked up comps for any of these shoes, so I don't know. I don't know what these are going to go for. I don't know. Okay, another pair of Nikes. These are the, I tried to look up the names of all of these. These are the marathon running shoes, the something marathon running shoes. I don't know. They're like a light blue and gray. They are kind of dirty on the toes. Like, camera's definitely washing them out. Oh, you can see right there. These are a size 7.5. Oh, these are the TR8 marathon running shoes. They're on GOAT for $171, but yeah, I don't know. These need to be cleaned up a little bit. The bottoms look okay, but just some dirt on the toes. Okay, we've got some Reebok, like old school sneakers. I don't know what these are called. They're a size 7, I think. Yep, size 7. This like silver color. There are some scuffs on the side, but well, okay. Yeah, there's scuffs on the back too, but they might clean up. I don't know. They're cool. I have some Adidas Continentals. It says Unity right there. These are pretty beat up. I don't even know if a magic eraser will work on these guys. They're a size 6, I think. Yep, size 6. So I don't know. We'll see. We've got some Reebok old person shoes. Don't take offense if you're old, okay? There's nothing wrong with being old. But these are what they look like. They're a size 7.5. These are pretty clean. The bottoms are a little dirty, but I don't know. I think we could clean these up. Classics, Reebok classics. Adidas Cloud Foam. These things are like, whoa, nothing special. They're a size 7.5. All these are like 7, 7.5. Yeah, 7.5. Look like that. More Nikes. These are just some Nike Flex shoes, size 9. These are nothing special. I'll save the best for last because I did get a good pair. Actually, 2 good pairs. We got some Vionic shoes. These are actually in really good condition. They don't look like they've ever been worn. More Nikes. These are the Juvenile woven trainers. I actually almost bought a pair of these off ThredUp. They were white. But as you can see, they're like woven. And these are in really good condition. I don't think these have ever been worn. They are a size probably 7 or 7.5. 7. Yeah, I don't know. These are cool. More Nike Flex sneakers. These are a size 11. That's a big size. Again, nothing too special with these. Okay, these shoes are Dean Comfort Foam. These seem like Walmart shoes, but these are really heavy. I'm gonna look up this brand. These are like really heavy. These are a size 8. Why are they so heavy? I gotta look up this brand. Hold on. Yeah, these retail brand new for like $22, but literally, why are these so heavy? These are like really, really heavy shoes. I mean, they're in like really good condition, but oh, size 9. Why'd it say 8 on the inside? Oh, maybe I looked at the wrong thing. They're size 9, but they're super heavy, so I don't know. It's weird. Some Nike Freeze. These are a size, I just looked at it, 7. Surprise, surprise. Kind of dirty. These are some Saucony. I don't know how to say that brand. I think they make the ugliest shoes. I don't like the way they look. They're size 10. I mean, they're in really good condition. Okay, these guys were in the box. I'm kind of excited about these. I had to look up how to pronounce the brand. It's V-E-J-A, and I just looked it up, and it's Vija. Yeah, these are a size 6. These are in really good condition. Look like this. I'm pretty sure this is a good brand. I saw somebody talk about these. I don't remember who it was. but I'm pretty sure this is a good brand. And the last pair, what does that say, guys? Hoka's. This is my husband's favorite shoe brand to sell. These are cute and they just happen to be my size. They're an 8.5. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep them. I don't know. But they're in really, really good condition. I don't know if I like the way they look because they're like, I don't know, but they are really comfortable. But yeah, my husband was excited when he saw these in there. These shoes alone will pay for the price of the box. So yeah, I don't know. I might keep them. I have a lot of shoes though, but I don't have any Hoka's, so maybe. Okay, so that is it for my Jomar sneaker box. I think I got a couple good pairs. Like I said, those one pair of Hoka's will probably pay for the whole box. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, everything will be listed in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. Again, if you want to check out Jomar, I do have a coupon code, but just be prepared to wait. I think that's just, I don't know. When I order things, I want them like, I'm used to like Amazon, like 2-day shipping. So when it takes like literally over a month, I don't like that. I do have a bunch of other Jomar unboxing videos. I'll link that playlist down below. But that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.